if I told you that AI just wrote half the code for the app you're using right now? Software development is being completely transformed, and if you're a developer or thinking about becoming one, everything is about to change. Hey everyone. Today we're talking about how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing software development, and I'm not just talking about minor improvements. This is a fundamental shift in how code gets written, tested, and deployed. Let's break down the 3 biggest ways AI is changing the game. First up, AI coding assistants. Tools like GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and Claude are becoming every developer's copilot. Instead of Googling syntax or scrolling through Stack Overflow for hours, developers now describe what they want in plain English, and AI generates working code in seconds. Here's what's wild. These tools don't just autocomplete a line or two, they can write entire functions, debug complex errors, and even refactor messy code to make it cleaner and more efficient. A recent study showed developers using AI assistants complete tasks up to 55% faster. That's not just convenient, that's a complete productivity revolution. But it's not about replacing developers, it's about handling the boring, repetitive stuff so humans can focus on architecture, creative problem solving, and building features that actually matter to users. Second, AI is becoming the ultimate quality control specialist. Traditional software testing is time-consuming and honestly, kind of tedious. You write code, then you write tests for that code, then you manually check edge cases. AI changes this completely. Modern AI tools can automatically generate test cases, predict where bugs are likely to occur before they happen, and even fix common vulnerabilities in real time. Some AI systems analyze thousands of code repositories to learn what good code looks like, then flag anything suspicious in your project. Companies are using AI to scan their entire code base for security vulnerabilities in minutes, work that used to take security teams weeks. And when bugs do slip through, AI can often suggest fixes faster than a human can even diagnose the problem. This means more stable apps, fewer crashes, and way less time spent firefighting production issues. Third, and this is huge, AI is democratizing software development. You no longer need to memorize every syntax rule or spend years learning complex frameworks to build something real. Complete beginners are now building functional apps with AI assistants. You can describe your idea conversationally, and AI helps translate that into working code, explaining concepts along the way. It's like having a patient mentor available 24/7. This doesn't mean professional developers are obsolete, far from it, but it does mean more people can bring their ideas to life, and junior developers can level up faster than ever before. The gap between I have an idea and I have a working prototype has never been smaller. So where does this leave us? AI isn't replacing developers, it's amplifying them. The developers who thrive will be the ones who learn to work alongside AI, using it as a powerful tool rather than seeing it as competition. Code is being written faster, with fewer bugs, and by more people than ever before. And honestly, we're just getting started. The next few years are going to be absolutely wild. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Drop a comment below. Are you using AI in your development workflow yet? Let me know. Catch you in the next video.